Hello everyone. Today let us learn some four-letter words. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Now let us see four-letter word. B-A-L-L ball. B-A-T-H bath. B-E-L-L bell. B-O-A-T boat. C-O-A-T coat. D-U-C-K duck. D-A-T-A data. F-U-L-L full. F-I-S-H fish. G-O-A-T goat. G-O-A-L goal. H-I-G-H high. K-I-T-E kite. K-I-N-G king. K-I-N-D kind. L-I-O-N lion. L-A-M-P lamp. L-E-F-T left. M-O-R-E more. M-U-C-H much. P-A-I-N pain. R-A-I-N rain. R-I-N-G ring. R-O-A-D road. S-T-A-R star. S-H-O-W show. S-A-M-E same. T-A-L-L tall. T-R-E-E tree. T-O-O-L tool. These are some of the four-letter words. You can also find other four-letter words on our channel Roshan Ronadla. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Roshan Ronadla. Keep supporting us. Thank you.